Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get Microsoft 365 Premium and LinkedIn Premium for the student. They are providing the 12 months free for that. So this is the exclusive benefit. You can get it and save on subscription. So we'll go through the step-by-step process on that. So Microsoft 365 and LinkedIn Premium for the college student get 12 months free. So unlock a powerful productivity AI enhanced toolkit with the Microsoft 365 Premium free for 12 months. When you are signing up with the college, valid college and university email address, please get the premium career include the boost your resume networking job search effort. So what's included? This is the main question. Full Microsoft 365 premium subscription that's include the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneNote with the advanced feature and AI-powered Copilot. Up to 6 GB cloud storage, 1 GB per person with the OneDrive, enhanced security and protection, creativity and collaboration tool with the school projects, LinkedIn premium career for the professional growth opportunities, offer valid for a 12 limited time. After 12 months, the subscription will automatically renew the regular price. So before that, you have to cancel or you won't cancel, then they'll renew the whatever the price there, regular price. Okay. The next is is eligible. So college and university student with a valid student email address, new subscriber for the Microsoft 365 Premium only, and don't miss out. Sign up and start experiencing Microsoft most powerful productivity and AI tools designed for student. Learn more and sign up. So this is the URL. We'll go through this. So in this page, you will get 12 months of the Microsoft 365 Premium and LinkedIn Premium Career. Use your college email address to get innovative apps and Copilot and extensive AI usage with the Microsoft 365 Premium. Regular price is $99 per month, and LinkedIn is regular price is $39.99 per month. So via email address separately after the sign up. So after discount period, both subscriptions automatically renew at the regular monthly and annual price unless cancel your Microsoft LinkedIn account. Just remember that this is a very important point. If you forget to cancel, so after that they will charge you $99 per month and dollar 39.99 per month. So limited quantity available. Sign up through the Feb 28 2026 or while quantity last. See eligibility and terms and conditions below. So subscribe now for your access your benefits, maximize your time, get the ultimate AI experience, stay safer online, get creative across the devices. So create your our best college experience, turn your memory into the scroll stopping videos, stand out social media posts, creative and fun, and Microsoft 365. So get secure on the spacious cloud storage. So there is a 6 TB storage, 1 TB per person. Unlock your creativity, make daily tasks easier, stay ahead of the hacker and scammer. So get Microsoft 365 and LinkedIn 12 months free for the trial. Use a college and university email address, verify your student status, sign up to get 12 months free 65 Microsoft 365 and LinkedIn Premium Career. After 12 months, we continue with the chargeable with the subscription fee. You cancel through both your Microsoft and LinkedIn account. A payment instrument is required to sign up the each subscription. Just remember that. So there is a who is eligible 12 months and other things are there. You can go through this one. So miss out, sign up, and all the details are there. Term and condition is there. App availability varies the device language. So other details are there. So main thing is you get 12 months of Microsoft 365 Premium and LinkedIn Premium Career. So you can go through this one. And this is the URL. I'll provide you with the description. So disclaimer is there. All trademarks, logo names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the education and information purpose or under the Fair Use Section 107 and Copyright Act 1976. So you can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Link is given. You can follow me and not follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this tutorial with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I'll reply personally. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.